This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Steam disk write error in just 2 minutes. Follow these easy steps to fix this problem. The first solution is exit the Steam application. To do that, click on this icon, right click on Steam and click on exit Steam. Once the Steam closed completely on your desktop, right click on Steam and click on properties, select compatibility, and here you will get this option, run this program as an administrator. So you have to check this box and click on apply, and finally click on OK. And after quickly doing this, check the issue. And the second step is clear your Steam download cache files. To do that, launch your Steam and click on Steam menu, settings, select downloads, and here you will get clear download cache option. So click on clear cache, confirm, and after quickly doing it, it may ask you to log into your account again. So log into your account and check the issue. And the last step you can do is launch your Steam and click on Steam menu, click on settings, select storage, and here click on this 3 dot next to your drive and click on repair library. And after following all of these steps, it should fix the error. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.